In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your bank confirmation letter directly from the Capitec app. This letter is often required when you need to provide your banking details for work, debit orders, payments, or any kind of verification, and the good thing is, you can get it instantly without going to a Capitec branch. First, open your Capitec mobile banking app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the app and on the main dashboard, look for your savings account section. Go ahead and tap on your savings account to open the account details page. When you're on the savings account screen, look toward the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This small menu gives you extra options related to your account. From the list it appears, tap on Send Account Details. This is the option that allows you to send or receive your official bank confirmation letter. After tapping Send Account Details, you'll see a page where you can choose how you want to receive the confirmation letter. You will typically have two options: SMS or email. For most people, email is the easiest because you can download the letter as a PDF and use it anywhere. So go ahead and tap on the circle next to email to select it. Once you've selected your preferred method, simply tap Send at the bottom of the screen. The app will process your request, and within a few minutes you should receive your bank confirmation letter directly via email. Make sure to check your inbox or even your spam folder if you don't see it right away. And that's it. That's how you get your Capitec bank confirmation letter using the Capitec mobile app. It's quick, easy, and saves you a trip to the bank.